Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. Honestly, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking this off, but I am overheating and it needs to go. Let's start with the neck. Yeah. The latex stayed on my neck, that didn't help. I love how this looks like bone, but it's really, like, super squishy. Okay, now we gotta take this off. One big motion. I thought it was gonna rip the whole thing off, but no. Oh no. Okay, is my eyebrow still on? It looks like it. Ah, nice. Now these for the feathers. I can't talk. I really hope. Oh, my hair is fine. Whenever I put latex this close to my hairline, it's always a risk. Ah. Where did this come from? Okay, she's in my eyebrow. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? It is time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Time for the good stuff. Okay. Ooh. I wanted to take it off all in one piece, but I don't think that's gonna happen. I mean, kinda. This was my second attempt at doing the lust look because the first time I did it, I did not like it. I am pretty happy with this one though. I need to go wash my face. I'll be right back. So much better. The full tutorial for that look, as well as the products I used, will be in the link in my profile. And as always, have an amazing day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh yes, it is time to take this off again. I honestly had a lot of fun with this look, and I'm a little bit sad to be taking it off. This tongue is way too heavy, so I'm gonna take it off first. Oh. Wait, watch this. I can't even properly smile with the latex on my face. So let's take it off. Okay, ready? Didn't feel that. And of course, how can I leave you without any nightmare fuel? Okay, but can we get a nice satisfying stripe here? I think yes. Okay, one more, then I'm gonna shower. I took a shower and my nose is slightly stained, but other than that, I am all clean now. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? You already know what time it is. Yes, it's time to take this monstrosity off of my face. I can't wait. There's just so much going on here, I don't even know where to start. I want to take this massive snowflake off of my face. Ow! It only got a little bit of my hair, it's fine. Let's do a smile. That didn't hurt at all. Let's do the horn. Ooh. My neck is still covered with latex and I have no idea how to take it off. It's like in patches too. I can't even see it. Help. It's literally just pulling my neck off. I give up. Hopefully it comes off in the shower. Forgot that little piece there. It came off. Woo! Alright, you guys, it's time to take this off again, and I really don't want to because I really like this look. Send help. I'm living for the rhinestone lips, though. Can I take them off all at once? No. You know, I was hoping at least the removal would be satisfying, but no, there's no redemption for this look. I almost ate a rhinestone. You know what they say, when life gives you lemons, you make fashion. And eat rhinestones, apparently. I'm gonna cry. Okay, no kidding though, I had this wig on for literally the whole day and I don't remember what my natural hair looks like. I am really not happy about this, not happy at all, but oh well. I literally look like a clown right now. Who knew there was such a thin line between the runway and the circus? I am no longer high fashion, let's take off the wig. Oh boy. It's stuck. It's a sign, I don't need to take it off. It's so funny though, I hated the wig when I put it on and then I fell in love with it. Okay, I low-key forgot how good my hair looks. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? 'Tis time to take this off again. Contacts are off and I can see. Honestly though, I'm pretty happy with how this turned out. But these horns are so big and heavy that it took so much to glue them onto my face. But that's not important. Let's take them off. Nice. Ooh. Takes so much time to put it on and so little time to take this off. Actually, just kidding. This is probably gonna take like 3 hours for me to wash off. Okay, it's coming off. That's good. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna go shower. I feel so much better now. Have a great day, you guys. It's midnight. I need to take this off. Can I? No, I cannot. I can't. The amount of power I feel right now is indescribable, and I know that once I take this off, I will be a human again, and do I want that? No, I do not. Like, look at her. I want to go to work like this. Can it be Halloween all year round? When is society gonna accept me wearing this type of makeup to work? When? I can't. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it's time to take this off again. It feels so nice to see. Now, I've done a lot of things for my makeup looks, but I can definitely say I never had to glue popcorn to my face before. I guess there's a first time for everything, huh? Let's start taking these off. I'll start with the small ones. Oh, it broke. That was so much bigger than I expected. Ah! Now the big boy. Oh, am I beautiful? I really hope my eye is not stained. Oh God. I think I'm good. I took it all off. Yeah. And you guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, it is time to take this off again. If you couldn't tell, this was Scorpio for the zodiac, so yes. I'm gonna start by taking my lashes off because I cannot see. Now for the fun stuff. Boom. I just love having insects on my face, don't you? Are scorpions even insects? Oh, I don't know. And the moment we've all been waiting for. Nice. I feel like this is scary enough. I'm gonna go wash it off. Ah, my skin can breathe. Contacts are off, and that is it. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Oh, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. This is the finale to my series of makeup inspired by popular brands, and this was Gucci. I'm definitely happy with how it turned out, but it's gotta go. If I pull here, the whole thing's just gonna... Oh, never mind. I am so excited to see again. I just gotta find an edge. Wait, I think I got one. Oh, it's so bright. Oh, ah. And once again, there's blood in my teeth. One single lash. I took a shower and I'm clean now. Hello everyone, this is my official apology video for whatever this is. Let's take it off together. I take full responsibility for this, however, you were the ones who asked me to do it. And in my defense, you wanted disturbing makeup, I gave you disturbing makeup. But I'm still very sorry. Let's take her off. I deserve that. If this is in my hair, I won't even complain. Y'all about to start getting sleep paralysis demons that look like this. This is already nightmare fuel, so I don't think I can make it much worse here. Never mind. I am pretty much clean. My face is stained, especially the smile right here, but, you know, I had it coming. Please give me suggestions of what cartoon I should do next that I can actually do a good job on and not have to make an apology video later. Thank you. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. I don't know why I always film videos in the middle of the night, but everyone in my house is asleep, so I need to be quiet. I'm not very good at being quiet. I also can't see what I'm doing. Where's the edge? Ah, yes, there it is. I feel no pain. Now this side. The hard part is done. Now we just gotta take the lashes off. And now the rest of this beauty has got to go. As I was taking this off, I realized there's still latex on my chin. Ah, how did I not notice it earlier? But no, there's more. I think that was the last part. Is my makeup off? I can't see. Someone help. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? How's it going? Yes, you guessed it. It is time to take this off again. Let's start with the neck. I don't know why, but taking latex off of my neck always hurts more than my face. Ah, there we go. It wasn't too bad. Now the face. It's dangerously close to my hair, but it's not in my hair. I don't know how that happened. Nice. There's a little piece by my eyebrow. Yeah. Can't forget the lashes. The glitter that is on me will never leave me for the rest of my life, but I will attempt to take it off in a shower. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? It's time to take this off again. Alright, I can talk now. Honestly, I think I did a pretty good job of making myself look like Cat Noir. Like, look at me, I'm so cute. I have to go to work in an hour, but I don't want to take this off. Do you think I'll get in trouble if I wear this to work? And the answer is yes, I will, so let's take this off. The only latex I used here is on the ball, so I'm just gonna... The latex is still on my skin. I'm just gonna... Okay, one more piece left. Oh, not too bad. Fun fact, these ears were more expensive than the wig itself. I'm just gonna... Whoop. Oh no. Painting on clothes is always so much fun, but taking it off is a literal nightmare. Nightmare fuel? Okay, let's get one satisfying stripe and then I'm gonna shower. Okay, I'm just gonna... Oh, that's so nice. I'm all clean now, and you guys have an amazing day. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Well, yes, of course, it is time to take this off again. These horns are so uncomfortable. Oh my god. Ah. Brushing my hair is gonna be a nightmare. Let's take the smile off. We got this. It's making my eyes water. No reaction, because I feel no pain. No pain. Lashes. And of course, some nightmare fuel for you guys. My hairline is stained, but other than that, I am clean. You guys have an amazing day. Hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? Of course, it is time to take this off again. This is Capricorn from the Zodiac signs gone bad. Capricorn, yes. I was improvising the whole time, but honestly, I love how it turned out. I hope you guys like it too. First, I'm gonna go wash my hand because I can't touch anything with it. Now I got these horns on Amazon and I honestly love them. My hair is so messy. Back to the good stuff. Ah, liquid latex literally, ow, makes everything better. There's so many better ways to remove this, but I'm just so lazy. I just rip everything off. Oh. Nice. No more lashes. No, I just look crazy. I'm just gonna go wash my face. And that's it. Have a great day, you guys. Well, hey, what's up, you little freaks? Guess what time it is? I can't talk with his teeth on, but yes, it is time to take this off again. This look was all improv, and honestly, I'm really happy with how it turned out. I took the teeth out so I can talk now, but let's move on to these little parts. Ooh, okay. Oh, not bad. I got so scared over nothing. Now this one. Ah, I can't tell if my skin is numb at this point or if that genuinely didn't hurt. Contacts are out, and I can still see. That's a good sign. Now the rest of this beauty has got to go. This is just a little bit painful. Oh boy. Let's see if we can get a satisfying stripe. Oh, okay. I don't know why I'm so amused by this. I took a shower and I am all clean now. And of course, you guys have an amazing day. Well, hello, what's out there? It's time to take this off again. Roblox has so many different parts in it that I couldn't think of anything better than just doing a logo-inspired makeup. And for what it is, I'm really happy with the look. Let's take it off. Ooh, ooh. Ow! That didn't hurt, that was all acting. The tears are also fake. Ready? Watch this, no emotions. Nothing. But we're not done yet. Oh no, I thought it was in my hair for a second. Oof. Now it's just the easy part left. Lovely. This is what I see in my nightmares. This is always my favorite part. Oh, that's clean. I am so easily amused. Oh my god. Okay, please leave my eye. Thank you very much. And for the most part, I am clean. My face is slightly stained pink, but we can deal with it. And well, you guys have an amazing day.